In this video, I will show you the best place to buy crypto in Lithuania. This tutorial is specifically tailored for Lithuania because it will work no matter what payment method or bank account you may use in Lithuania. So this is really perfect for you. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe, and here we go. So to be able to buy cryptos or Bitcoin, you will have to use an application to do so. I have tested dozens of them, and frankly the best of them all that I can only recommend is the Swissborg mobile application. It is an application that you can download on your mobile phone, which is very easy to use, very intuitive, which has the best prices for your cryptos, and which offers a high level of security. You will find the link to download the application just below the video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment. You just have to click on it. You will be automatically redirected to download the application, either on the Apple Store if you are on iPhone, or on the Google Play Store if you are on Android. And the bonus for you is that if you go through this link, it will allow you to unlock a scratch ticket in the application, which will allow you to win crypto bonuses. You will unlock this bonus automatically if you go through the link or by directly entering the code GUMY5, therefore GUMY5 when you register on Swissborg. So really don't hesitate. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it. Registration takes just 5 minutes. It's really very fast. Like this. So for me, this is the crypto app I use for all my cryptocurrency investments and purchases. So the first step will be to fund your Swissborg account with money. So you just have to click on the plus at the top right, like this. You can make a deposit via bank transfer. It will usually take 1 to 3 business days. You can deposit many different currencies, including the euro. It works with most banks. You can also transfer cryptos if you already have some on other applications. And you can also simply fund your Swissborg account with your credit or debit card or by using Apple Pay or Google Pay. It's really very simple and very quick. Simply enter the amount you want to load into your Swissborg account, for example 25 euros here. You then put next, and then you just have to settle the transaction. Once it's done, you will have your money credited to you instantly on Swissborg, and then we will go and buy our cryptos, for example Bitcoin. So we're going to click on invest at the bottom right like this, then on the buy crypto option. We will therefore see all the cryptos available on Swissborg. For example, here there is Bitcoin. You just have to click on it and click again at the bottom in the green buy button. Then you have to select the currency with which you are going to buy your Bitcoins. So for example, we will select euros. We will therefore select the amount we want to buy in Bitcoin. So here 25 euros, for example, we put next. Then we have the summary of the transaction. We have the fees in complete transparency. Moreover, Swissborg is one of the crypto platforms which has the best fees in all of Europe. And on top of that, they're going to get the best exchange rate to get the most cryptocurrency. So here, for example, having the most Bitcoin for 25 euro. So once you are okay with the transaction, all you have to do is click on confirm. The transaction is normally done in a few seconds. It's really very fast. So there we have it. We bought our Bitcoin. And then you can see on your wallet on Swissborg the amount of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies you have. You can even set up an auto-invest in the future if you want to invest periodically in certain cryptocurrencies. You put new auto-invest like this. So you can choose the frequency. For example, every month you want to invest in Bitcoin. So you indicate the currency with which you want to invest. For example, if you want to invest 10 euros every month in Bitcoin, well, you can set it up like this and click on confirm. And so every month it will buy Bitcoin for 10 euros. So it's really very practical. And then in your portfolio, you will have all the cryptocurrencies that you hold. And then to withdraw them, it will be very simple. You just have to click on the cryptocurrency, click on exchange on the green button at the bottom in the middle, choose the currency with which you want to exchange your cryptos. For example, here we will re-choose our euros. We indicate the amount of Bitcoin that we want to transform into euros like this. Then we have the summary of the transaction again. We put confirmed. And once that's done, we go back to our portfolio. We click on our euros, for example. If you have chosen the euro currency, click on withdraw at the bottom right. Then we will only have to add our bank account, enter the country of our bank account. And then we can simply withdraw this money from our bank account. It will take 1 to 3 business days normally. It's very fast. So there you have it. You know how to buy Bitcoin, cryptos, and then resell them if necessary. It was Gummy. Ciao.